Hello and welcome to this video tutorial on how to mark that a pupil is repeating a year in POD. If you've decided that you're going to retain a pupil in the same year, please ensure that you've done your progressions prior to marking this in POD. Also, please be mindful of Circular 3203 prior to retaining any pupil or pupils. Under the Your Options menu on the left hand side of the screen, please go to Pupil and Search. Please bring up the record for the pupil in question. So in our example, this pupil's name is Paul. If you go to Paul's History tab, so click History here, you will see that in 2014 he was in first class with Mrs. Kemmis as his teacher. Then the school progressions took place and Paul was moved to the 2015 academic year, so he's rolled forward to second class and he's going to go into Miss Livingstone's class. But it turns out that it would be better for Paul to actually repeat first class. So to do this, simply go to the Enrollment tab, so click the Enrollment there. And next to Standard, where it says second class, please just move back to first class. And if you wish to move him back into Mrs. Kemmis's class, please select Mrs. Kemmis or whoever the appropriate teacher or class group is and click Save. Now if we look at the History tab, we'll see that in 2014 Paul was in first class and in 2015 he repeated first class.